All you need to do is to study. Ah, all you need to do is to study para sa semi-quarter.
Good morning. Kindly turn on your
Yes.
camera and your microphone.
On Monday. No. Random questions today.
Again, kindly turn on your microphone and your camera for our prayer.
No. Okay. No. It's okay, Charles. Just
Pipito, Pipito, you lead the prayer today. You will be our prayer leader.
Okay. No questions. Goodbye, everyone. Bye. Bye.
Pipito.
Goodbye. Okay. Goodbye. Yes. Goodbye. Bye. Have a nice day, everyone.
Pipito,
Take your snacks.
Pwede,
you will be our prayer leader today.
English, miss, or Tagalog, miss?
Tagalog.
Sabihin mo, miss. Sa ngalan sa Ama, sa
Ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Diyos, salamat sa inyong pagkain at tubig. At hindi at
Dan?
yes.
Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Magandang umaga sa inyo, grade 7.
Magandang umaga, Binibini Province.
Again, parang inaantok pa kayo ngayong umaga. Magandang umaga sa inyo, grade 7.
Magandang umaga, Binibini Province.
Handa na ba kayo sa semi-quarter exam ninyo?
No.
Hindi pa. Okay. Sino ba sa inyo ang handa ng sagutin ang mga katanungan na nandun sa inyong semi-quarter? Okay, Saiki is ready? Ready ka na ba, Saiki? Okay, yung iba, kunti lang daw. Handa sila ng konti. Ha?
Did you already give the coverage yesterday, Miss?
Yeah, but I just read it.
Okay, Miss.
Ako rang gibasa. But right now, before we will be having another set of review, I want you to write the coverage, write down the coverage. But it's up to you if imong i-take down or dili, because we will be uploading all the coverage there by grade level. So other teachers are still making with their test questions. That is why nag-wait pa sad mi nila kanus sila maghatag sa ilang coverage kay by year level ang pag-upload. But actually I am ready. Few days ago, I am done making with your test questions for your semi-quarter exam. I am done with the coverage. So nag-wait na lang ko sa other teachers para magdungan mig-upload. So it's up to you if mag-take down notes mo. So tagaan sa tamo sa kanang coverage. Wait for a while. Ready? Ready na? Okay. For test 1, we have identification, particularly on the mga bansa ng Asya. No. Wait, ha? Wait for a while. Wait for a while, ha? Okay. For AP7, it covers the two competencies na ipapaliwanag ang konsepto ng Asya tungo sa kanlurang paghahating heograpiko, Silangang Asya, Timog Asya, Asyang Silangang Asya, at Hilaga or Gitnang Asya, wherein we talked about this one during our first week. And our second week, yun ay tungkol sa the competency there is napapahalagahan ang ugnayan ng tao at kapaligiran sa paghubog ng kabihasnan. So, now take down the type of test. For test 1, we have identification, particularly on mga rehiyon sa Asya. Again, identification, mga rehiyon ng Asya. Test 2. Done? Okay. For task 2, we have identification again, mga bansa ng Asya. Mga bansa ng Asya. Task 3. For task 3, multiple choice. Type of test, multiple choice, focus more on mga anyong lupa at mga anyong tubig. Again, mga anyong lupa at anyong tubig. Task 4, just essay. Simple lang. Essay lang yung last.
Miss, the multiple choice, Miss, but we will write the letter, Miss.
Maybe you will encircle. It depends upon on the kuan.
How do we circle it, Miss, in the LMS?
We are still planning if unsa nga type sa test, like inyo ra bang i-input inyo ang sa multiple choice or inyo hag yung ma-encirclean. We are going to ask Ms. Teresa first because she is more knowledgeable in terms of the LMS.
Okay, Miss, thank you.
What is the essay about, Miss? No.
Okay. Kahalagahan. Essay is all about the kahalagahan sa pagpapanatili ng kagandahang pisikal na tinataglay ng Asya. Diba, we talk about the katangiang pisikal na tinataglay ng Asya, wherein we talk about the anyong lupa, anyong tubig. So, more on the importance of pagpapanatili sa kagandahang pisikal ng Asya.
Miss, pardon, Miss? Pardon the essay, Miss ba?
The essay is all about kahalagahan sa pagpapanatili ng kagandahang pisikal ng Asya. Done? Okay. I want you to prepare any sheet of paper, and a ball pen. Again, I want you to prepare any sheet of paper or ball pen because we will be having a short quiz right now. So for those who don't have
Is
any
it recorded,
problem,
Miss? Or just
no,
a
this is
review?
not recorded. Yeah, this is just a review. So
Okay, Miss.
nothing
Thank
to
you.
worry. Okay, you listen. Class, you listen. For those who don't have any problem with their cameras, kindly turn it on. Again, for those who don't have any problem with their camera, please turn it on. Pero kung may problema ka sa camera mo, for example, maglalag siya, kapag ino-on mo yung camera mo, it's okay na lang. But for those who don't have any problem, kindly turn it on. Just for me to check whether you are not cheating out there. Wait sa ha, kay mag-check sa ko sa attendance for a while sa. Is James here? James Gallardo.
Present, Miss. Present.
JM. JM. Wala. Mananday na Max na Justin. Charles. Si Charles ba? Wala na lagi ni sud-sud. No? Charles? Oh, you chat him ha? You chat him. Ay na, namita ko niya. Wala siya isud-sud. Chris. Chris kay na Pipito Satori. Is Juvie here? Psyche. Daisy Lou. How about Daisy? Yeah, Daisy Lou is here. Jessica. Clarice. Angela. Liza. Tan. Alexa. And Misha. Okay. Are you ready? Ready na? Nanay papel o kuan? Ballpen?
Yes, I have a question, Miss. The
Mm.
test to an Miss ba the identification mga basta sa asya, Miss, kaya katong quiz na to gahapon, Miss, inato?
Mm.
Itong mag-identify, Miss. Dili ka tong box, Miss, may magbutang sa mga country.
No, regions in Asia. Regions. Those regions, what are the 5 regions of Asia? Silangang Asia, yun. Okay, number 1. Number 1. Ang kapaligiran ay may malaking impluwensya sa bawat tao. Ang mga ito ay nakabatay sa kung anong uri ng kapaligiran mayroon sila maliban sa. Again, ang kapaligiran ay may malaking impluwensya sa bawat tao. Ang mga ito ay nakabatay sa kung anong uri ng kapaligiran mayroon sila maliban sa A. Hanap buhay, B. Gawa, C. Tradisyon, D. Kapitbahay. A. Hanap buhay, B.
Miss,
Gawa.
excuse me, Miss.
Hmm.
We will just write the letter, Miss, or apel lang.
Letter only.
Okay, Miss. Thank you.
Tradisyon, D. Kapitbahay.
Miss, what is number C, Miss? I mean letter C?
Tradition. All of those that I have cited have a big influence in our surroundings in our surroundings except A. Hanap buhay, B. Gawa, C. Tradisyon. D. Kapitbahay. Number 2. Ang bundok na ito ay pinakatanyag at kilala bilang House of Snow. Ang bundok na ito ay kilala at tanyag bilang House of Snow. Anong bundok yun? Number 3. Bantay ng nag-new tab hap. Oh, you turn on your camera lagi for those have no problem with their camera. Bantay na. Number 3. Ang anyong tubig na ito ay kilala bilang Number 3. Ang anyong tubig na ito ay kilala bilang Yellow River ng China. Again, ang anyong tubig na ito ay kilala bilang Yellow River ng China.
Miss, do we include the root word, Miss, yellow, Miss, or just like ang name na lang niya, Miss?
Yeah, just the name of the anyong tubig. Its particular name. Number 4. For number 4, ito ay tumutukoy sa pananaw kung saan ang mga Asyano ay pinaniniwalaang higit na makapangyarihan sa lahat ng larangan. Again, ito ay tumutukoy sa pananaw kung saan ang mga Asyano ay pinaniniwalaang higit na makapangyarihan sa lahat ng larangan. Diba, in your activity, you are going to, I already give you the clue na kailan is inyong activity. There are 2 pananaw. So, which one is kuan akong gi-refer diri? Again, ito ay tumutukoy sa pananaw kung saan ang mga Asyano ay pinaniniwalaang higit na makapangyarihan sa lahat ng larangan. In your activity, you give your own understanding with these 2 pananaws. Ready? Alright. For number 5, test 2. For test 2, you're going to answer this one. Okay. For test 2, can you see it on my screen now?
Miss,
Yes,
go to
Miss.
4 ang test 1, Miss.
Oo.
Miss.
For test 2, answer this map. Map of Asia. Identify the different countries belong to Asia. Yung may mga kahon dyan, i-identify ninyo kung anong country ang nilalagyan ng kahon. Just like yesterday. Just follow
Miss,
the
for
numbers.
test 1, Miss, but only 4 items, Miss.
Oh, 4
For
items
test 1, only
only.
4 items.
Yes, test 1 4 items only. Test 2 1 to 8. So you answer the mga bansa sa bawat bilang. Anong mga bansa ang tinutukoy sa bawat bilang? I give you the clue yesterday. This orange one, this is my name. This one, the green one, Here, the green one also. Where we live. If you listen yesterday to my clues, you can answer that one today.
Miss 8 ra kutob ni Miss no the map.
8 only.
Okay,
Ganahan
thank you.
ka, punante ka, Clarice?
Di,
Ano
Miss,
na
I was
po?
just asking Miss.
Okay ra gyud pun anak ko. Gyapon. Pun anak ko baligtan na sad.
Miss, I won't be sure. I think I'm sure my answer is one.
Don't be pressured, eh. It's okay, man. Huwag kang magmamadali. Iisipin mo yung yung sinabi kong mga joke kahapon. Yung number 3, yan yung name ko. Ano nang bilang nyo ngayon? What number are you?
Done, Miss.
Done, Miss.
Number 4, Miss. Kaya nangita pa kog ballpen.
Okay, faster. I'll give you clue on number 8, ha? Number 8, it starts with the letter J. J. Again, for number 8, it starts with letter J. Mo na pa jud na aron unsa nga Jimis kanang goat jar. G and J is different. Tapos na ba? Naadyo'y nag-new tab, bantay na ron. Isa na nag-new tab eh. Bantay nang nag-new tab. Oy class, don't practice new tab because during your exam you cannot new tab because if you're going to new tab mawagtang ka sa kanang exam nimo.
Yes, Miss, and then you will get 0.
So you get 0.
Yeah. That is why during our review, don't practice new tab kay mawagtang mahabit na nimo siya during major exams na mawagtang ka di nakaka-answer. Meaning if mawagtang ka sa imong exam, dayon mo tell ka sa teacher nga wala nakaka-answer, meaning to say ana nag-cheat ka. Therefore, the teacher will not give you another set of exam because you are cheating already kay nawagtang man ka.
Sana
Ready na?
sir?
Ready na? Last 1 minute. Again, last 1 minute.
Miss, ang exam miss ba kay putol-putol na siya miss, like lain sa test 1, lain sa test 2, or diretso na miss, like diretso na.
We will be having a meeting particularly on the exam, if how we are going to present it, just like ba sa activity ninyo nga lain-lain siya, or there is another way nga largo-largo inyong pag-answer. So
Okay, Miss,
by
thank you.
tomorrow, I am going to give you some feedbacks regarding the plans for the quarter exam. In what way you are going to answer. Just don't worry. I'll tell you tomorrow, by tomorrow, because we will be having a meeting later.
Sir, mag-order ka na ko ina ko sa kanang mga specs.
Time is up. Time is up. Time is up. Okay. Where's Daisy Lou?
Miss, the screen is all black, Miss.
Wala na ko nag-share screen. Can you see me now? Makita na ko dili.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Where's Daisy
Miss,
Lou?
mag-explain na lang gwapa nga lang, Miss.
Bugal-bugalon jud oy. Bugal-bugalon jud oy.
It's real on, Miss.
Okay, number 1. Oh, you check, by the way, you check your own paper, and it's up to you if you are going to check your wrong
Miss,
answers.
mag-checking na, Miss.
Time is up na.
Miss,
It's up to you if...
ka ng checking.
Oo. Mag-checking na. So it's up to you whether you are going to check your own answers. Class, this review is for you. This is not for me. The reason why we review is for you to get good scores, for you to have high scores in AP. So whether you are going to tolerate your wrong answers or you are going to let yourself be corrected, right now it's your choice. I am not there to check whether you've got the correct answer or not. So again, it's your choice. Okay? Konsensya lang. So konsensya lang good. Okay, number 1. For number 1, ang kapaligiran ay may malaking impluwensya sa bawat tao. So all of these answers that I have cited here have a big influence in the kapaligiran. So maliban sa man, except A, hanap buhay, B, gawa, C, tradisyon, D, kapitbahay. What is the answer?
Did you still hear it?
Kapitbahay, Miss. Except the kapitbahay. They're not
Yes,
part.
very good. Yeah, the answer is kapitbahay. Hanap buhay, gawa, at
It's letter D,
tradisyon.
miss. What's the letter
Oo.
of the comment? Oh.
D, kapitbahay. Ang hanap buhay, gawa at tradisyon ay may malaking impluwensya sa kapaligiran ng bawat tao except sa kapitbahay. Okay? Hindi kasali ang kapitbahay. The answer is letter D. Number 3. House of Snow. Ibig sabihin yan ay anong tinutukoy? It's Mount Everest.
Mount Himalayas?
No, it's
Mount
Mount
Everest?
Everest. Yeah. House
Miss, is it
of
okay,
Snow.
Bundok Everest, miss?
Oo. Mount Everest
Miss, I
or
will just
bundok.
excuse me, Miss. I will wrong it, Miss, but I'll just in the side, Miss, the correct answer.
Mount Everest is the answer, or bundok Everest. And class, the first Filipino who climbed on the top of the mount, first Filipino na nakaklimb sa top of the mountain, there are 2 answers, class. I asked Madam about this one because I am still confused. Who among the 2 people that I've searched is the first one who climbed there at the top of the mountain, Mount Everest? Because in the book na akong gireferan, it's Leo Oracion. And even when I was, I'm sorry ha kung kanang English kay ko kasi hindi ako masyadong magaling sa Tagalog. Actually, class, when I was in high school during our second year, our project is to create a miniature of Mount Everest. So I am very confident that the answer is Lego Orasyon because I am the one who created the miniature of Mount Everest, and I am the one who make the clay bitaw kanang taw-taw. Ako naghimo ni Leo Orasyon. But when I checked your output, katubitang sa quiz ninyo, di ba? I included that one.
Yes,
Sino ang
miss.
kauna-unahang Pilipino na nakarating sa tuktok ng Mount Everest? I
Yes,
was
miss.
really confused because your answers are not kanang Herakleo
Was it
Leo
Dale
Orasyon.
Abenuhar, right?
Yeah. That's the man that I am referring to. Your answers are Dale Abenuhar. And when I searched in the internet, it came out that Dale Abenuhar is the one nga naa sa internet. That is why I asked Madam about that one because I am confused. Because when I was high school and even the resources bitaw nga akong gitanaw in the books, the answer is not kanang Abenuhar. It's Leo Orasyon. That is why I asked Madam. And Madam told me that I will consider the two answers. It's Dale Abenuhar. I will mark it check. And Herakleo Leo Orasyon is still correct. Okay, so for those who answers
Miss,
Dale
what's the spelling,
Abenuhar,
miss? Like
Dale
the-
Abenuhar, Dale Dali, Daleabenujar, Abenuhar. That's why I'm confused also. Also, Madam is also confused because lain-lain man, lain ang internet, and sa book, lain sad siya, lain ang ilang gikuan. Pero I am very confident with kuan jud kanang Leo Orasyon kay ako lagi naghimo-himo atong play nga bata-bata nga taw-taw pag high school na ako. Di ba? Char kay akong taw-taw dito. Next, number 3. Yellow River ng China. This is Huanghu River. Yeah, number 3 is Huanghu River. Number 4, tumutukoy sa pananaw kung saan ang mga Asyano ay pinaniniwala ang higit na makapangyarihan sa lahat. Anong pananaw yan?
Makabagong pananaw.
Okay.
miss?
Makabagong pananaw or tinatawag nating Asya-centric or makabagong pananaw.
Kung paano.
Okay, that's the answer.
Miss, I
both
answered
misses,
Asya
okay?
Central, Miss.
No,
both
Asya
misses.
Central is no. Asya-centric or
Asya-centric,
makabagong pananaw.
So both
Yeah,
misses.
Yeah, Miss. Like centric, Miss. Sorry, Miss. I answered. I said Central, Miss. Centric, Miss.
It's correct. Asya-centric or
Ay.
makabagong pananaw. Those are the same. Okay, next. This one. For number 1, what is the answer?
Kazakhstan.
Miss. The spelling
Okay.
is Kazakhstan.
Okay.
KH, Miss. KH.
Tara.
KH.
Number 1 is Kazakhstan.
Stan.
Can you still see? Hindi na din makita.
No,
No,
miss.
Miss. It's only gray, Miss.
How about this one?
Yes, miss. I already
Okay.
said so.
Kazakhstan. Ako lang gi-move. Number 2, it's Mongolia. The spelling, Mongolia. For number 3, it's China. Grabe sagdi na
Yes.
kayo spelling China ha. Dara. China. Number 4, it's India. Number 4 is India. That's the answer. Number 5, it's
Philippines.
it's Philippines.
Filipinas.
Okay, it's okay. Number 6, what's this?
Sri Lanka.
Yeah, it's Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
Yeah, that's Sri Lanka. Number 7, it's Indonesia. Yeah, it's
Indonesia.
Indonesia. Number 8 is
Japan.
yeah, it's Japan.
Japan.
It's Japan.
I love Japan.
Yeah, it's Japan. Okay, who among you here got 12? Sino ang nakakuha ng perfect score na 12? Very good. How about 11?
You put it there na lang, test 3 map.
Very good. Yeah, very good. How about 10?
Ang mapa, miss, na inyo inilagay. So,
Okay, very good. 9,
mapa, nagtimog sila
8,
kasha. At
7,
below the
6.
picture of the map, guys, I
Okay, very good. For those who got 6 below, 5, 4, 3, 2, and down, you should have to study all of those na atong na-review. I already informed you if nag-take down notes mo and if ma-upload na namo ang the coverage, be sure to focus more on the kanang particular topics nga among ihatag. Okay, so that you will have good grades and good scores in your semi-quarter exam. Okay, so that would be all for today. Thank you and God bless. Good luck with your semi-quarter next week because this is our last review for AP subjects. Okay, so you better study.
Miss,
Bye
if
everyone.
Miss, if pang hapon, Miss, baka hapon sa ilang kuan, Miss, like exam or buntag yung tanan.
We will still plan for that. Now, mo
Okay,
mag-meeting
Miss.
ni Ron. Kay
Miss, is there actually afternoon, Miss?
na sa
Is
grade
there actually
7,
afternoon, Miss?
sa grade 7.
Mhm.
No, usara man mo ka section ang grade 7. Tipon man mo tanan.
Why about the St. Ferdinand, Miss?
Wala na, usara ka section ang grade 7.
Oh, okay,
Mm.
Miss.
But the
Others, Miss, took
ang
modular?
ang others
Or
pero
there's
gamay
no
ramay
modular
nag-modular.
7?
No, that's why we are kuan bitaw ka ng medyo hassle-hassle gamay kay naamay nag-modular. We are still going to make modules for nag-modular and then we're going to make pagyud mga activities para sa online. That's why it's not easy in our part bitaw sa new normal. Kay
Miss, the
kuan man.
modular was ba? The teachers will be the one who
Miss,
will
about
do the
the-
books, Miss, or like ang
Oo.
mga papers, Miss.
We are the one who will make the modules. Kaya
Miss,
tingnan
about
niyo
the
kung
kuan,
ang
Miss, ba?
haggard-haggard ko na ngayon. Charot.
Miss, like, how about the output, Miss, by an AP, Miss?